Kipat ba kashnong Siliguri, West Bengal, ka kerdop bandrung syakathan lammi ngi kari India, hakan riu terik urempang, kelasaki ya ke history sa Kynmaw, haba Rector Major ke NIAM Solution of Don Bosco, Reverend Padar Fabio Atat SDP, ulapli ya ke Rkhe kemen shispa snem lani ke Centinary jong ke Kolkata Solution Province. Lapediang burom yuni urang badu jong keseng solution lani Rector Major na duk ka lingsun bagdogra hadu Siliguri daki kena school bat Samla Puli College. Dakani kejingwan yuk kejat jong Reverend Padar Fabio Atat ha Kolkata Province ulawan ra ekamen sim jingeteli kejinge 8 markeliang kejing rehem mensim bat ya kathong bakaseng solution kan trei borba hakishis pa snem banwan. Kani kalek men dap spa snem kalakut ha kapra tarik urempang da kajing syong shit kabakraw kamtam ha kaliang kajing kemen mensim. Lapediang burom ya Rector Major na do bakdokra dan riungut ki padar solution balarang ba bat ki kena school barim. Kinong hikai bat ki seng bay trelang bat keseng solution hadu Don Bosco School Siliguri. Ha kajingalang pediang burom balingkot daki kena school barim ha Siliguri, Rector Major ula kentu yaki ban aingu yo blay bat ya keseng solution ki bala penpriang ya kejingai ai ha kitu ki bedan kam yaki. Ula kerkuru ya ka yeng bedang shna jongki kena school barim. Ha kan riu tarik la pediang burom ya Rector Major daka school Don Bosco, Saint Kilian Arcade, Solution College, Solution Cooperators, bala lam khamat do Rector Reverend Padar Tommy Augustine. Ha kajingalang bat riu spa ngut ki dekot keseng solution na jela Bengal, Sikkim, Bihar, bat Nepal. Rector Major ula kentu bat Kynmaw ya baro ban paidien shiki kentim jong kamaria ke kemi ujisu ha ka kawai shongkurim hakana kabala ong hakinong trei habala lut kawan. Le kat bau ong. Rector Major ula ong ped sngap jar rai batle ya kajing Rkhe kemen chispa asnem lepenkut ha Don Bosco Park Circus Kolkata ha ka pratarik urempang da ka mas bakraw ringkat bishop pala shongthat hajail pai guri Dr. Clement Turkey lepenwai de kajing le buram na kipat pa bat ki school jong ka Kolkata province.
My dear students, I'm so happy and I must say also honored on visiting the college here in Siliguri. My desire for you and my message that I will share with you is very simple. Allow this experience to help you grow in a holistic way, both on an intellectual level, but also on the level of being able to empathize, to understand, to communicate, to connect with the reality around you. I believe that the Don Bosco story is one where Don Bosco offered our young people the best when it concerns education, but also the best when it concerns humanity. To be able to look around with a heart that is able to connect on a human level with those gospel values, with those values which are indeed the ones of love, charity, and being able to make difference in other people's lives. Thank you very much.